Hello students. So in this video we are going to discuss about the notification which has been released by Gnlu Silvassa regarding the vacant seats and the process of filling this vacant seats. So what we have observed here is the approach taken by Gnlu Silvassa is something that has been not seen till date. Right, till this point all the universities NLUs used to fill their vacant seats through online application and further online fee payment, after which those students who made the application, a merit list used to be drawn, and only those who came in merit list used to be called for admission. But what we have seen in this notification is that they have introduced something known as, or they have resorted to something known as spot counseling cum admission process, wherein students who are interested to fill the vacant seats in the category mentioned, right, we'll talk about the categories and the vacant seats which are available. Those students who express their interest, who want to actually enroll in any of the or avail any of the vacancy, they have to actually physically attend the counseling or physically attend the spot counseling on 15th of June 2024 by 12 p.m. You have to be at the campus. The details of the campus are also mentioned here, the venue, right? You have to be present there, and out of those students who are present for a specific category, their all India ranks will be called out, and the student with the least all India rank, right, or the best all India rank, that person will be offered the admission, right? If you look at the vacant seats, number of vacant seats in this regard, in general, right, women category we have 5 seats, in general category we have 1 seat, general women, the domicile of Dadar Nagar Haveli, then general EWS there is 1 seat, 1 for SC women, 1 for SC women from Dadar Nagar Haveli, and then 1 ST woman, 1 OBC woman, right? This is the metrics for UG program. So in total, if we look in general category, we get to see that without any reservation, if you're not woman, if you're not from a specific domicile or EWS, there is only 1 vacancy, right? Apart from that, in PG program, we have 2 in general, 6 for general of women, OBC women 1, OBC 1, SC 1, and general EWS 1. Right, so there are list of documents which are also specified here. You need to carry all these list of documents, right? Those which are mentioned original, you have to carry the original documents, or else for those that are mentioned as attested, you can bring a self-attested copy of that particular form, right? Those students, out of those students who have come for the physical spot rounds, out of them, based on the all India rank, the merit students will be selected for the admission process, and those who are admitted, right, they need to pay on spot Indian rupees 30,000, right, after which that particular seat will be blocked, and the remaining college fee has to be paid within 3 days from that particular date, right? Apart from that, they have also mentioned 1 email address and 1 phone number by which you can address or you can ask any of your query or clarifications, right? Apart from that, if you have any other issue regarding this notification or understanding of this notification, you can reach out to us via the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.